One day, all the three friends were talking to each other in the jungle. They were telling about their qualities.
I'm a crow. I am black in color. I can fly high. Hi, I am rabbit. I am pink and white in color. I can hop, hop, and hop. Hi. Hi. I am mouse. I love to run far from here to there.
All the three friends were very happy. Suddenly, there came a deer. The deer was wandering in the jungle from one place to another and crying. I don't have any friend. I'm all alone and I'm scared. What should I do? I'm scared. I'm scared if life needs me. I don't have any friend. If anyone can hear me, please be my friend. All the three friends started searching for where the voice was coming. All the three friends moved ahead. While moving ahead, all the three friends saw there was a deer lying in the corner of the jungle. The crow stopped him and asked,
Hey, my friend, why are you crying? What happened? Are you new to this jungle?
The deer replied, Oh yes, my friend, I'm all alone. I don't have any friend. What should I do? Who will be my friend? And I'm scared. If the king, the lion would eat me. The rabbit replied, Don't worry, my friend. We all are there with you. We'll be your friend. The deer was happy now. The mouse replied,
Oh, come on. We all are very good friends now. We will be best friends forever. And we will stay together, united in any of the problem and situation.
All the four friends were very happy and playing in the jungle. Next morning, the four friends again met each other in the jungle.
Hi, everyone.
The rabbit said.
Oh, hi.
The mouse replied. The crow again said.
Ow! Ow! I am feeling hungry. What should I do? Let's all go in search of some food and meet again in the evening time.
All the friends decided to go in search of food and they would meet in the evening time. The friends started moving in different directions to search for their food. When it was late evening, all of them met each other together. But this time, they were a little sad. Nobody got the food. The mouse was really feeling hungry. The deer replied, It's okay, my friend. We can sleep hungry one night like this. We will get up in the morning again and go again in search of food tomorrow. All the friends agreed with each other, and then they slept hungry this night. The next morning, again 4 friends met each other, and they were happy this time. The rabbit said, "Oh, come on! It's a beautiful day again, a beautiful morning. Let's go and search for the food again. And this time, we will get our food." All the 4 friends again went in search of food in different directions. Now it was late evening.
I got some food. My tummy is full,
Said the mouse.
Oh yes, I am also happy. My tummy is also full.
Said the rabbit.
I also.
3 of them got the food, and now they were very happy. The crow looked here and there.
Oh my God! Where is our friend? There. He is not here.
3 friends were now very worried. Where is our friend dear? Rabbit replied,
Come on, let's search for our friend. If he is in danger, come on, let's go in different directions and find our friend.
All the 3 friends went in different directions to find their friend deer. There was a hunter standing near the tree. Today I'm going to do hunting. Let's see, who am I going to hunt today? Suddenly there came the deer. The deer was very happy as he also got the food and his tummy was full.
La 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 la.
Oh my God! A hunter! He's going to kill me! What should I do? Where are my friends? My friends are not with me. Oh dear hunter, don't shoot me, please. Don't shoot me. I'm not going to leave you. Hunter shooted the deer. The deer was now fainted, and the hunter trapped him in a net. Now the hunter was feeling very hungry and sleepy, so he went here and there in search of food. And after a while, getting his food, he slept under the tree. All the 3 friends were now worried because they couldn't find their friend. 3 of them again met each other. If anyone would find their friend deer. The mouse said,
Oh, let me go and search again for my friend. You both stay here and see if the deer comes here. Let me know.
The smart crow replied,
No, my friend. I am going to fly high and search and see in all the directions if my friend is there.
The crow flew here and there in the search of his friend. The crow saw the deer was crying and trapped in the net. The crow felt very sad for his friend, and he came near the deer and said,
Don't worry, my friend. Don't worry. We will help you to get out of this trap. Wait for a while.
mouse.
Oh dear, my friend! The deer is trapped in the net. The hunter has trapped him.
The mouse replied,
Oh my God! Let's go and help our friend. I have some sharp teeth. I'm gonna cut the net and free our friend. Come on, let's go.
both of them went, and the mouse came there to his friend deer. Oh, my friend, you're here.
Oh yes, don't worry, my friend. I'm there.
The mouse cut the net and set the deer free from his trap. They both ran from there as fast as they could before the hunter comes back. The hunter was now getting up, and he saw the deer was not there in the trap. Oh my God, where is the deer? Oh my God, my hunt. What would I do now? The hunter felt very sad, and he went back from the jungle. The mouse, the rabbit, the crow, and the deer were all together now. The deer thanked his friends that they saved him from the trap of a hunter. The mouse said,
Don't worry. Unity is strength. If we all stay together, we can solve any problem. So we should always be together with each other.
they all were now happy with each other, and they started playing with each other in the jungle. The moral of the story is unity is strength. So I hope you like this story. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.